All right, guys, fish on, guys. Fish on, our first fish of the morning. Let's go. And it got loose right at the edge. Small channel, not a big one. But we were able to connect. You ready? Let's keep going.
This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Hidalgo County, Texas, guys. What's in store? We're doing some freshwater fishing. Flying solo this morning. 3 poles in the water, or almost in the water. Cut hot dogs, chicken liver, and we're also throwing them some frozen shrimp. No Captain Tony, no Captain Roy. So we're gonna give it a go, guys. Are you all ready? Let's go. Guys, fish up, boys. Fish on. Let's check it out, guys. Let's go. Nice. Let's go, boys. This one, it's a perfect hook set, guys. Perfect hook set. This one was not gonna get away. We already lost one, guys. We lost one. It's been a slow morning, guys. Slow morning flying solo here in Hidalgo County, feeding them chicken liver. This is the 4th spot, so you gotta move around, guys. Sometimes they're not gonna be where you want them to be. Let's go, boys, here in Hidalgo County. Guys, we got a massive takedown. Takedown. Let's go. Man, we got a good takedown, guys. Man, this one really pulled. Nice, guys. This is the 5th spot, guys. 5th spot. And we're in search, man. We're in search. Time is getting away from us. Humid morning. It's a nice morning, but kind of humid. Flying solo. No partner in crime, Tony. No Captain Roy. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this one back. Let's go. Oh, we should have a fish on, guys. We should have a fish on. Let's go. Not a big one, guys. Not a big one, but nonetheless, this one, man, this one does have some good stomach right there, man. Good stomach. Small fatty. Let's go, guys. Still fishing here in Hidalgo County, but we may be wrapping it up.